Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to RV online classes. So today I am explaining you globe and map. So in previous class I told that other books. So now you have the new book, this one. From this book I am going to explain you first lesson, that is the globe and maps. So your new book, this one. Okay. Okay. In previous class, I could explain about the globes and maps. Maybe you remember. So once again, I am explaining you about the globes and maps. In that first, globes. So globes. A globe is a model of the Earth. This one, you know that, is it? So it is the model of Earth, and it shows the distribution of the water and land on the Earth. So water means water bodies and land means continents. These all we can see on the globe. So this globe, it is a one model of the Earth. You know this one, is it? In previous class I explained you. So once again I am explaining this lesson. So listen it. So globe, it is a model of the Earth, and it distributes the distribution of the water and lands. So its shape is like a ball or like a orange, whatever maybe you can say. So whatever maybe means just round like a circle. So here in this globe we can see the continents and oceans. And here a globe is a mounted on an axis. So it have one axis up and down. On that globe is rotating. So here it can spin just like a earth, how the earth is spin. So here while globes are made as like a model of the earth, so we can see the earth's map, means on globe. So here it has some disadvantages also. Means here we can see the lands and water also, means oceans and continents. But here we can't see at a time this all. So here we have some disadvantages. So in that we can see only one side of the globe. Here in globe we can see only one side of the that part, that globes. Other side we want to see means we have to turn it. Then only we can see better and look properly. Then again, globe does not show us the details of small towns and cities. Here, globe it cannot show us towns and cities detail. Just it give us only continents and oceans. Means big landmarks that only they showing. And again here, bigger globes are much more detailed. So if we have a big globe, in all that we can see more. If it is small means little bit we can see, not full. And again here, smaller means small globes also we are getting, and big globes also. In that if big means on that we are writing little bit big handwriting, means big spellings. Then we can see very easily. If small globe is we can't see properly, but they are the big and bulky. So maybe it's small, maybe it's big. It is bulky means round shape. So we can't handle it. We can't hold it with us if we are going any place. We want to move any. We want to go any other's house, or we want to go to school by hanging it, not keeping inside of the bag or our pocket. So it is heavy sometimes. It is weightless, but it is round shape. We can't keep in any proper place. These are the disadvantages of the globe. So I will show you globe how it is. This is the globe. So here, this one is the globe. So here I put it like this. So this part of globe you can see good, better, nicely. But you can't see back side. But I can see because I am standing here. So if you want to see this side means you have to turn it, rotate it slowly. Then you can see properly. And here I also see here. So those who are standing in front of that globe, they see its front face. If they want to see the other side, they have to rotate this. So when it's rotating, this is called the axis. On that axis, this globe is, Earth is rotating. Okay, like this. So we can see slowly by rotating it, where is the our continent or other continent, and we can count how many continents are on the earth or on globe. So how many oceans are there? That all slowly we can turn it slowly, and we can see here each and everything means continents and oceans. Which ocean is big? Which ocean is small? Which continent is big? In that continent, which country is big? That much we can see in the globe. Okay, sorry, on the globe. Here, by the seeing like this, rotating it, we can see the pictures of the continents and oceans. We have to turn it, we have to rotate it, then only we can see properly. If we not rotating it, just we see that face, which face is in front of us. Okay, so this is the one advantage. I can't hold continuously like this. It is too heavy also, and we can't keep it any small place or little place. Just it want the flat place. Then only it will put properly. So, and it can't keep in bag also or in our pocket also. So because it is a round shape like a ball. So if we want to see any continent, we can see easily by rotating it. Nicely we can see here in front of me Africa, and then little I rotating, then I can see the Asia, then little bit rotating like this. Here slowly we can see the all continents, but we can't see the small city or town in this. Okay, and we can't see the rivers also, small rivers, just we can see big rivers. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of the globe, but it is the model of the earth. So we can see that yes, our earth is like this. Okay, we can understand like that. So this is now next there is the maps. So map means you know that how it is. Okay, so a map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of its, means here map, it is the drawing of this world's surface. Okay, so here map means it is drawing on a plane or flat sheets. So here we can see it very easily. So here this globe, it is the model of the map also, means world map they drawn and they pasted it down. If that only we are hanging it, then at a time we can see the whole world map. Is it not? So when that map we are pasting on this globe, then it will become the model of the earth. So our earth is like this, is it? So but in map we can see at a time all continents and water bodies, means oceans. So here we can see these maps are useful when we want to study. When we want to study about any country or our state or our city or our district, whatever may be. So when we want to study about that, we can take that area's map and we can see what is in that good places. For example, we want to see the India. So in world map, we can see the India, just little bit. But whole India we want to see this, we have to take the India map. In that India map, they will show that we can see that in India map how many big rivers, how many small rivers, which river is flowing from which state and where it will finish, then which road or highway, and again we can see the railway lines also, then coastal region, coastal areas, many other things we can see very easily, very nicely, and how many states, how many districts are there, that all we can see. Means little bit districts we can see, just they are writing, but we want to see again deeply, means we have to take the state map. In state map, they show that how many districts are there, that deeply they will show nicely how many districts are there, and then again in districts how many big cities. So that is also they will show, but not deeply. Then again we have to take the big cities or any, for example, like our city. So we have to take the cities map. Then we can see in our city which places are good, means for visiting us. Then which road is good, from where to where it will join that road. Then again how many pounds we have, tanks. Then again how many big institutions are there, that all they are giving deeply information, giving in the maps. So in map we can see easily what we want. So here maps are given the details of maybe city, maybe town, maybe state, maybe country. We can get there. So again here there are world maps. Before also I told you map, that drawn that map on a flat surface, that only here pasted on this globe. So then it will become the world map like this here. So we have to turn it and we can see it. But that map only we are hanging on the wall or putting on the land surface, that then we can see at a time that map, because it is flat, we can see everything at a time. But if we are pasting to this, then it will become the like this globe, we have to turn it and we can see it. So again, if we want to take it anywhere, means we can fold it and we keep in our pocket also or in our bag, and we can move any place, and there also we can hang it and we can show or we can see it, that by the help of map. But globe we can't hold it. We can hold it, but not long time. So we can't keep it in bag. We can't keep in our pocket also. Maybe it's small size, but we can't keep in our pocket because it shows little bad thing, like something we are keeping in our pocket. So we had to take the help of maps. In maps, we getting the all deep details of our maybe state, maybe country, maybe our country, maybe our city or town. So here better we have to take maps of each and everything. Means for example, maybe ocean, maybe continent, maybe country. That once map we are taking means we getting the correct information of that places. There are world maps well as maps. Means here world maps also doing means that map only is sticking here, it will become the globe. We have to rotate and see that. But when we hanging it, then it will become the world map. We can see by the help of the map all the places, oceans, big rivers, that all things we can see here. Then again continents also. When hanging the map, world map, in that we see the continents, then countries, in that countries which rivers are big, then cities, state, towns, small areas, that all they are being the deeply in the world map. They are showing by the putting the points. If you want to take the details of our state or our city or our small village, then we can take that map, and by the help of that map, we can know the information of that place, which place we want. So here, what is the difference between globe and map? Now I told you, maybe I hope you understood. Okay, so next, types of maps. Here, types of maps. Wait, one more point I had to say you. The art of drawing maps. Here, maps, those who are drawing. So that drawing also called that cartography. These maps, like these maps are drawing, that is the globe, but maps are drawing, no, that is called the, that drawing is called the cartography. And those who are drawing that one are called the cartographer. This one you have to remember it. Those who are drawing, they are called the cartographer. Okay. Then, okay, here types of maps. So types of map. Here three types of maps are there. So first one, physical map. First one, physical map. Physical map means in that map we can get only features of the earth. For example, mountains, rivers, plateaus, plains, oceans. These all things we are getting in that map. So remember it. Physical map means in that physical map we are seeing only mountains, rivers, oceans, plains, plateaus. These all areas we are seeing very nicely. In that map we getting these all things only. Okay, not they are showing the other things like towns or cities or other boundaries, that all they are not showing. Just they are showing. For example, we took the India map. Then in India map, just they are showing. In India map, physical map we are seeing means they are showing only in that about the mountains, about the rivers, about the plains, about the plateaus. These all things they are showing. Then so it is called the physical map. Then second point, that is the political map. Political map means in that they are showing that if you are taking the our India's political map, in that they are showing the boundaries of the our neighboring countries. If we are taking the states political map, then they are showing the other our states. For example, Karnataka states map we are taking political map. So in that we are showing the Maharashtra's border, then Andhra Pradesh boundary. This like this, all they are showing. If you are taking our country in countries map, then they are showing that our neighboring countries boundaries. Understood? Maybe I hope you understood better. So in political map, they are showing that only our boundaries. Understood? So this way, in that map, for example, maybe our state we are taking, in that they are showing that neighboring states. Then we are taking our village or town, then they are showing how many near the towns are to our town, that boundary, maybe villages. So here is the, just in that political maps they are showing the boundaries of that places. Means if we are seeing our place, our town's map we took, then they are showing that if we are taking our town's political map, then they are showing that how many other side our towns are there. That town's boundaries they are showing. Which town boundaries are attached to our town, like this. So this is the political maps. Then thematic map. Last one, that is the thematic map. Here it's giving the information of the rainfall, natural vegetation, and industries, minerals, these all things. If you are taking the thematic map, in that map they are giving the information of only rains, natural vegetation. Rain means how much rain we are receiving here in our place or our country, our state, like that, or our continent, that way. Then again natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means here they are giving the information of the how much forest area is we have, maybe our state, maybe our town, maybe our country, which map we are taking. Maybe our country map we are taking, then they are showing that how much vegetation area is covered in our country, or we have our state, like this. According to our state, our country, our city, like this. They are giving the information of these all things. So all things means rainfall. How much rainfall receiving our, which map we took. For example, India only take. So in India, if we are taking the India map, thematic map we are taking India's, then they are showing that how much rainfall receiving, which place receiving how much rainfall. That one they will show. Then again how much natural vegetation. So natural vegetation means forest. In India, how much area they have the dense forest and minor forest. That one they will show. Then again, industries. In our India, which big industries are there and where they are situated or where they are established. Then again, minerals. In which state in our India, which state it produce more minerals? Many type of minerals are there. So which place have more minerals and that state is recording that much minerals. So this way here three types of maps are there. First one physical map, second one political map, third one thematic map. So these three maps are there. So I hope you understood better this one. Now one more information I want to give you. Here our globe, we are saying this earth. So it is the model of the globe. So how we come to know this is like a round shape. So here one person, his name was Magellan. So he started journey from his place Spain and he started traveling. Slowly he crossed the Antarctic Ocean. Then slowly he crossed South America. Then he passed straight line of that his place and slowly he signing like that only with his friends. And he want to, why he want started this journey means he want to know how is the world and where it will complete. In olden days, in ancient times, because they are thinking that world means it is a flat. When they are standing one place, when they are seeing in front of that, they are thinking that that is the last place. If they are going there, it is the edge, it is last point. They will fall down, or they are thinking some other things. Means they not have the idea how is the our earth. So here Magellan, he started his journey from Spain and with and slowly he started traveling in the sea and he crossed the Arctic Ocean, southern part of the Arctic Ocean. Then slowly he passed the coast of the South America. Then he reached some straight line. Then again he sailed northern part of the Pacific Ocean. Then slowly he reached the Philippines. Then after the Philippines, he thinks that maybe place is over. Then again he started his journey And again he traveled little long coast, and then he reached the Africa. Then after the Africa, again he crossed the Indian Ocean. Then after that, again he came to his place, that is the finally Spain. So in 1522 he reached his place again back, and he think that yes, Earth, our Earth is round shape, not a triangle, sorry, rectangle. So here he given his idea to all that I travel with my friends, and where I start my journey, again I stop there. It means our earth is like a round shape. So here at that time people all started thinking, hey, it's some people they are built, some people they are thinking no, it is not. So then he know that earth is round shape. So here I think you all understood this lesson. So globes and maps, in that I told you about the globe and map, what is the difference between both. Then again, types of maps, three types of maps we are getting. That is first one is the political map, then physical map, political map, then thematic map. So in physical map, we are getting the natures, means mountains, rivers, then plains, plateaus, these all area we are getting. Then political map, we are seeing the boundaries of our places, means which according to our map, we will see the boundaries of that places. Then thematic map, means in the map, we will see our means nature's rainfalls, then natural vegetations, then industries, minerals, these all things we are seeing in this map. So here I will complete my lesson. Maybe I hope you all understood this lesson. So thank you children.